What's up, guys? We're back. So as many of you may know, about 2 weeks ago I was complaining that we got no fruit set, and I was really worried, and I appreciate everybody providing some feedback on the status of their avocados in their backyards. But today is Monday and we got fruit set. It's been starting to kind of set. And this is my Carmen Hass. Of course, if you're out in your backyard, you gotta stay hydrated. So Carmen Hass is doing really nicely here. New leaves are coming in. It's like that burgundy color coming in. And also there's fruit set right, see if I can zoom into it so you can see it. But it's all over the place. So let me see, right here too. So I'm gonna try to do this video in one continuous video so I don't have to do any editing or anything like that. But in general, so I was worried like 2 weeks ago. We were getting flowers but nothing was setting and there was no bees. I still don't see bees, but I was talking to somebody at Brokaw Nurseries and he was saying that as long as you have some wind, it should be okay. It probably would just kind of almost like self-pollinate through the wind. So, and this is kind of what we're seeing right now, which is awesome. Let me walk around and show you some other avocados. This is the Carmen Hass, of course, and there's fruit. You can see it. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. I kind of zoomed in. So there's fruit all over the place. So that's a good thing. That's a good sign. So this is my Gwen, and the Gwen has some fruit also that I've started to notice. So Gwen is starting to set fruit also. So here's my reed, and sometimes you can tell, like when you're looking at the flowers, if it kind of has that shape like this, but it doesn't dry up, it kind of means that it's kind of set and it's ready to go, versus something like that, where it kind of dries up. That means it's a goner. So good chance we might get 1 or 2 fruit on our reed. This one I got from Brokaw. You can see from the tag down there. And since I got this from Brokaw, it's probably 100% a reed versus ones I've gotten from big box stores and turns out to be something else. So my bacon doing beautifully, but this year I think it took a year off because it set so much fruit last year. And I do see some flowers and I do see some that looks like it's starting to set. So we might get some bacon this year, but I doubt that we'll get the crop that we got last year, which was absolutely amazing. And of course the ester, all the fruit's still hanging on. This thing holds fruit really well. So, I mean, oh geez, the size comparison right here, look at that. And cluster comparison. And it's flowering. So I'm expecting a 2024 crop set pretty soon here also. And then we'll be harvesting some of these and trying them out for the first time, probably end of June, maybe July, early July. All right, so this is the wart, aka little cotto, and a couple little fruit sets also. So excited, finally getting some fruit on this thing and looking forward to giving it a try. All right, so down in this section I got my Jan Boyce, and I've noticed some fruit set also. So exciting, we're gonna get some Jan Boyce. And right next to the Jan Boyce is my Edinger, and I noticed some fruit set on there also. Let me show you that. Okay, it's a little windy, hopefully you can see, but here's the Edinger, and there's definitely some fruit that's already setting. There's another section on the Edinger. So this is my Jim Bacon, and there's definitely some fruit on the Jim Bacon also. So this is supposed to be a reed, but as we know that after we've gotten the fruit, it's not a reed, and it is actually a Hass. and I've gotten fruit from it last year, and it was actually really good. So kind of a win overall, even though I really wanted to read right here, but it's starting to set some more fruit for this year. So as of right now, I mean, things are looking up, you guys. I mean, hopefully you guys are getting some fruit set also. I have another Carmen out here by Brokaw that's setting fruit. A couple more Hass that's setting fruit. I even have my Mexicola, which is like a Mexicola Grande. And I'm starting to notice some little fruitlets on there too. So hopefully you guys are getting some fruit. And if you are, comment down below. Let me know. Kind of curious. But I hope you guys are doing good. And remember, you got to always stay hydrated. So talk to you guys later. See ya.